What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, I'm John with Wipeout Paintless Dent Removal. Actually, right before this video, we just took out the traverse. I did that in my last video. So we're all done with that, got that outside, and a customer called me and said they have a dent in their vehicle they need to get taken out. So told them to bring it on over since we got that car outside. Let's get it in here and start working it. So I'll take you through what we got here. It's a 2019 Ford Escape, and as you can see on the hatch, we got another good little project for us. So once again, right over the body line, it's in there pretty good. You can see the eyebrow on top here too, and that's the kind of thing that's concerning me is when I'm tapping, I don't want to get into tapping and get stuck with that emblem there. So I don't know if I could pull that off. I don't know if there's guide pins in there or if it's just double-sided tape, but we'll start working it and see how it goes. Not really sure how we're going to approach this or not. If we're just going to start pushing it regular old school style with metal rods, or if we should try glue pulling it first. We'll figure it out. I told him I'm going to pop a little hole in the door jamb part there, as we normally do, something like that. And we'll get going on it. Shouldn't be too bad, but again, it's going to be a little project. So let's get going, and hopefully you enjoy coming along on the ride with me. All right, so we're all set up here. I got the door jammer on there, we popped a hole, and I went in there with a metal rod and tried pushing it, but it wasn't working up the way I would want it to. If I pushed any harder, it would make like an Audi, so I don't want to do that. So what we're going to do, I plugged the glue in, or turn the glue on, so we're going to heat that up, and then we're going to just glue pull the deepness out first. I think that's going to save me a lot of time. So we'll pull that out first. We'll put like the tab there, pull that, and then we'll start working it with the metal rods and go from there. So let's get going. Finished up. This one is done. So it came out really nice. It was a little tough, being over that body line, but as you saw, we glue pulled it, taking out that deepness, then started off with a rubber tip, again, taking out more of the deepness and then taking that tip off and finishing it off with the metal tip so we can fine tune it, get in those low spots and work them out. Little tapping and polish, and it came out good. I'll show you the final results here. I think she's going to be really happy with it. You can see that body line is back to the way it was, nice and straight, nice and clean, no more dents. So I think she should be very pleased with this. I'm happy with how it turned out. So hopefully you liked the video. If you can, once again, like, subscribe, let me know if you like it. If you don't like it, whatever, if you want to see something different, just let me know. And we'll catch you on the next one.